Hi there, welcome to my channel. Welcome to this video. I'm super excited. So on today's video, I want to show you how I was able to escape my 6 to 5 job and build passive income with digital products and how you can do the same. All right. But before we get started, if you're not ready to invest in yourself, this isn't for you. Okay. This is not another freebie to collect and just forget. This is not another video to watch and just consume. Okay. It's for action takers who are done playing and ready to take action for themselves and their family. Okay, just the way that I did it. By the end of this video, you will see exactly why digital products are the fastest path to freedom. You could get started today using the same system I use. Okay, so if you're new here, my love, hi, I'm Jarika. I am a mother of 3. I am a new wife. Okay, I have a daughter graduating high school this year. I'm super excited. I have a grandbaby. But listen, I was tired of bill stacking, living paycheck to paycheck, robbing Peter to pay Paul, and stressed out every single day and every single month, okay, because the bills and everything. Don't get me wrong, I was a hustler, so I did DoorDash, Instacart, Point Pickup, Amazon Flex, anything that you can think of, but I was tired, my loves. I wasn't lazy. I was tired of trying to figure everything out, missing time with my family because of work and because of spending the weekends doing extra side hustles, okay? But digital products has literally changed the game for me and gave me a new way forward. I was able to go from a bus driver from making 4K a month to making over 100K in the online space in little as 5 months, okay? This is your sign, my love, to stop waiting and start building, okay? Because if I could do it, you could do it. If they could do it, we could do it, all right? Point blank, period. And I want to show you how you can do that today. And I want to show you just how simple it is to be done. Okay, so let's get into it. Why digital products work? Because it is passive. All right, it is something that you can create one time, my love, and it will make money for you in on autopilot in your sleep. And I want you making more money in your sleep than you do on your feet. Okay, and this is what it's all about. All you have to do is create it one time. All you have to do is go into ChatGPT and plug and play. All right, it's scalable. One product, unlimited buyers. All right, no inventory. You don't have to worry about the shipping, the handling, the costs, the warehouse of none of that. When you create your digital product, it can sell for you over and over and over again. And that's what I want you guys to know. All right, you do not have to even show your face whenever you're doing digital products. And it's perfect for busy moms, 9 to 5 workers that's ready to change their financial situation, women and men that tired of having that one income, because that one income, my love, let me tell you, is too close to none. Okay. So I like to show and tell. So let's go over to ChatGPT real quick. We're going to go over to ChatGPT, and I have something already typed up for you guys that'll show you exactly how it can be done on your end as well. So with ChatGPT, we're going to tell ChatGPT to now give us an outline, honey, of a guide that's going to help busy moms budget $300 per week. Now you're going to plug that in. This is just a simple prompt, okay? Now ChatGPT is now going to provide you with a 5-step outline for a guide that's going to help busy moms budget $300 per week. Whoever your audience is, I repeat, whoever your audience is, whoever you're trying to talk to, whoever you're trying to serve, to solve a problem. Because remember, your digital product is just to solve a problem for your audience. So if you're trying to help busy moms, then you can go in there and plug and play. What do you want to help them with? Do you want to help them train their toddler how to be potty trained in less than 30 days? If you're trying to teach them how to homeschool their children, if you're trying to teach them how to start an entrepreneur business, whatever it is, don't overcomplicate it, but it can be done, and use the help of ChatGPT, okay? So ChatGPT is then going to give you a 5-step outline for a guide that's going to help your busy moms or your busy dads, okay? Now it's going to break down everything for you step by step. Everything, step by step. Now you're going to ask ChatGPT, say thanks, because you're going to talk to ChatGPT as a human. You can use the free version of ChatGPT. Do not overthink this process. I use the paid version to test it out. I use the free version, okay? Don't overcomplicate it. Use the free version, my love. But let's get to it. So say, awesome, ChatGPT, can you break it down so where I can copy and paste it into my Canva template? So Now ChatGPT is going to get it for you. You're going to have your title, your subtitle, everything that needs to be plugged and played into your Canva template. That's how simple it is, okay? Now you're going to go over to Canva. Now you're going to go over to your famouscanva.com, okay? And now you're going to search for ebook templates inside your Canva, right? And once you get over to Canva and you search for ebook templates, my love, it's over 20,000 templates to choose from. Don't overthink it. If you like a certain color, if you want to start branding yourself as a personal brand or whatever that may be for you, go and plug and play. Find one. They have the free ones and they have the pro ones. Find one for you to plug and play, okay? It doesn't matter what it is, whatever you feeling right now, go and take it, and now you're going to customize that template. Once you get in there to customize your template, my love, you're going to take that information from ChatGPT and you're going to plug and play. You're going to plug and play. Everybody knows how to copy and paste. I want you to be able to do so, okay? That's it. That's all you'll be doing is plugging and playing. You're going to take your title. You're going to go over to Canva. You're going to plug in your title. Right? If it's not the right fit that you want, you can put the 300, make it make sense, okay? You do not have to be a designer or nothing like that. You do not have to be a pro. You don't have to have tech skills or none of that. You just need to get it done, okay? So I probably will put this at the bottom, copy, delete, okay? And I'll put that here. Probably line that up some more. Like, don't overthink the process at all, please. Just let's get it done. Make it make sense. I want that bigger than that. Okay, if you want to go in there and change the way the colors are, make sure that you do that. My brand colors are pink and black and different things of that nature, so I probably will go and change that. I would change my font colors to probably white. It is not hard at all. Don't overthink it. You can use the same colors. Like, if you don't want to go through all that, you do not have to go through all that. You can actually take what you already have in the template and just use that. It's no big deal, okay? But I just want to show you how easy the process is when you can go and copy and paste and plug and play, all right? And that's how simple it can be whenever you're plugging and playing and you're creating your digital product, okay? You don't have to be tech savvy. You do not have to be a professional. You just go in there, you find a template, you use ChatGPT, and you be resourceful and you make it happen. Because that one digital product that you work on today can literally change your entire life. It can literally change your life, okay? It's that simple. You don't have to have an audience to begin. You're like, oh, but Jerika, I don't know who to serve. You're going to get started. Everybody started as ground zero, period. I didn't have an audience when I was teaching people how to start making money online. I know that I wanted to learn how to make money online. I started learning. I applied what I learned, and then I started getting the results. That's what it's all about. Money's not going to fall out the sky. Nobody's coming to save you, okay? You don't have to have no tech background. That I created has made me over 5 figures in the online space just this year alone. And I want you to do that. I want you to go out here and create something that's going to change your entire life. Okay? Here's the real life example. This is mine. My coloring book guide, I seen a problem. Okay? I seen people wanting to figure out how to create on Canva and publish on Amazon KDP. So what I did was I created a digital product which became the solution to their problem. I created it one time and it has become the solution to so many people's problems. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it, but right here, this is over 68 pages of a $27 product. Over 68 pages. That has literally made me over 5 figures alone just this year, just with this one product. That's what I'm telling you. You don't need 10 products. You just need one that can change your financial situation. Okay? You just need one that can change your financial situation. I just had to repeat that so you can understand. Because remember what I said. If I can do it, you can do it. If they can do it, we can do it. It's nothing different. The only difference between you and them right now and you and me is I got started, they got started. But what are you waiting on? Today is the day that you need to make it happen. Okay? Look at Danielle. Danielle launched her first ebook in less than a week and made a $197 in 2 days. Okay? I'm not the only one. You've seen it happen every single day, and I want this to happen for you as well. All right, look at Tasha. She's a mom with the 9 to 5, just like me. I was a mom with the 6 to 5, okay? She finally built something for herself. I want you to know that once you finally build something for yourself, nobody can take that away from you because that's yours. That's your backup plan. If that job decides that they want to let you go, that's your backup plan. It's creating something. Okay, so Tasha says, I've been following Jerika for months, but was scared to invest. And she finally grabbed the Freedom Formula, and wow, the way she breaks it down makes you feel like you're actually doing it or something like that. Yeah, even with a 9 to 5 and kids, I'm finally building something for me, and I'm super excited for her. The same with Maya. Maya didn't even know what a digital product was, but now she has one in her store. Okay, now she has one in her store, and I want you guys doing the same thing. If you're listening to the sound of my voice right now, that means that you know that you were built for more, and you know that you were able to go out there and create something of your own and start building something of your own. And Maya started, my love, as a complete beginner. You just got to get started. That's what it's all about. You just got to get started. I started as a complete beginner. I've never done this before, but I was able to get started, and you are able to. You are more than capable of doing it yourself. Trust me. It can be done. You can escape from the rat race. You can break free. You can change your financial situation. You can change the car you drive, the house you live in, the food on your table, the clothes on your back, and the schools that your children go to. It's all up to you. You have to make that decision. Okay? Listen, I was able to make over 100K in the online space. And if you see right here, I don't know if you can see it, but just in May, I received this email from Stan Store, which is your digital store where you will host your products, okay? They sent me an email May the 25th of this year, May the 28th, I'm sorry, telling me that I made over 100K in the online space. Do you know that it would have took me over 3 years to make that at my job, at my bus driving job? Just imagine what that can do for you. Okay, I want you to sit there and imagine what that can do for you and know that it is more than possible for you as well. All right? So listen, my love, you now know the what and the why. But without the how, you'll keep second guessing yourself and staying stuck. And I don't want that for you. So I had to create something to help you on your journey as well. That's why I created the Freedom Formula, the Passive eBooks Profit. It's a plug and play system that I built for women and men like you that's ready to take action and that's done waiting, that's ready to start building something of their own to where they can make passive income. They can make more money in their sleep than they do on their feet. Okay? Hey, this is the invitation. I'm inviting you to join the Freedom Formula with everything that I have to offer in the Freedom Formula. Let me show you. Yes, my love. So I want to invite you to the Freedom Formula, the Passive eBooks Profit, okay? She is designed to help you launch your first digital product and unlock passive income on your own terms, okay? Especially if you've been tired of watching everybody else win online, wondering when it's going to finally be your turn. Trust me, I've been there. You heard the story. We all have a story, but Freedom Formula is your plug and play system built for women and action takers who are done guessing, who are done overthinking, and done playing small. Okay? That's it. So inside, what you will get, you will have your profitable niche finder. I did put that in there for you guys because I know a lot of you be confused about finding your niche or whatnot. So I put that in there so you won't have to overthink the process. All the confusion is out the way, okay? You will be able to write your ebook using my plug and play system with my ChatGPT prompts, okay? That you will be able to utilize. I put Canva templates in there that I've already seen that was proven to work, that you can just plug and play. You don't have to go and download. You will have that access to that as well. You will be able to set up your Stan Store and also automate your sales. I want you making more money in your sleep than you do on your feet. Promoting it with faceless content. I'm giving you access to over 1,300 pieces of faceless B-roll content if you decide not to show your face, my love. Okay? Everything is in there for you so where you're not confused and you will have lifetime access to it so you can build your launch ready system to take you from stuck to self-paid faster than you ever thought was possible. Okay? So if you want access to that, you will also get a 30% commission if you decide to share the link with others. So you will get around $60 for every time someone uses your link. All right. If you want to get started, you can get started today with Klarna or Afterpay, my love, for as low as $49.25. All right. If you want to pay the full price, you're welcome to do so. But I understand things happen, so you can always use Klarna and Afterpay. All right. So I would love for you to be on the other side, because once you have your digital product done, my love, then now you can come and join us in BFF, the private coaching community that I have built for action takers to take their digital goal that they're sitting on from 0 to 6 figures, learning everything from me. But you'll get a special invite inside of the Freedom Formula to get access to it. And I will see you on the other side. Remember, if nothing changes, nothing changes. I would love to have you over there with everyone else that's ready to take it to the next level. The description will be at the bottom so you can access it. Don't watch me, join me. Okay? Freedom isn't just someday, my love. It's designed for the women and men who decide today. I'll see you on the other side.